Hey, what's up guys? It's George. In this video, I want to share with you some powerful practical advice that you can begin to put into practice in your life to be able to change your perception in your relationship with alcohol so that it becomes a lot easier to live your life sober with joy, effortlessly and easily. And so what it is you want to take a few minutes every day, even just a couple of minutes, get down in a meditation position and close your eyes, and you want to visualize yourself. You want to visualize those moments that come up where you would typically be triggered to start drinking alcohol. Maybe, for example, when you come home from work, that's a common trigger for you that you like to go right to the fridge and grab a beer. So instead, you want to visualize that moment happen where you're coming home from work, and instead visualizing yourself, just ripping off your clothes, putting on your gym clothes, all excited and energetic, and run out the door to the gym and do your workout. Or visualize yourself run out the door and go for your run. But you want to visualize this over and over. Visualize the scene over and over and over. Visualize it. Try to make it bigger and brighter and get as much detail in it as you can. And just repeat the action over and over. Instead of going to the fridge, you see yourself going and putting on those gym clothes and going and working out. See it over and over. You want to do this over and over. And then the next day, do the same thing. And then visualize other scenes as well, other triggers. Maybe you're at your uncle's house who always brings out the brandy or something. I'm just giving you an example, whatever the trigger is for you. And visualize this scene, but instead seeing yourself being more empowered, living the life that you would love to live, making the decisions that you wish you were making, and visualize it and do that over and over every single day. And what'll start to happen more quickly than you can imagine is you'll start to because your future, it's visualizing this happening, you're already creating the neurological connections, creating the habit even though you're not even taking the action. And they've done studies showing that people, for example, who practice shooting a basket, visualizing it going in the hoop, even though they're not holding a basketball, they actually have equal to or better success rates when it comes time to taking a shot than the people that were actually practicing with the ball. They've done studies like this, and I know in some of the studies, the people who are shooting with the fake ball with just air but visualizing it end up doing better than the person that was actually shooting with the ball. That's the power of the mind. And so by perceiving this, by seeing this in your head, in your mind's eye, of this new actions you're taking over and over and over again, you're creating the new neurological pathways. You're already creating the habit. You're basically living your life as if this has already happened. And our mind doesn't know the difference between fact and fiction. So that's the beautiful thing about the mind, is you can illustrate whatever kind of scenario you want for it and begin to get your mind to believe whatever you want it to do through the right programming. You can be the mind controller, the hypnotizer of your own mind, brainwashing yourself. But this only works if you work it and if you truly do apply this. So take a few minutes every single day, visualize this over and over, and you'll start to happen is you'll notice yourself in those moments going for the decision that you manifested, that you visualized happening. So guys, this is powerful. Put it in, but it only works if you try it and you give it a chance. And if you do, you're going to be in for a treat. So stay strong. And until next time, guys, let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.